All right, so it's about 5 o'clock in the evening. We all took naps, which we all needed it. So we're going back to Magic Kingdom. We're gonna do a little shopping and wait for my parents to arrive to the park, grab something to eat, and enjoy our evening. What did you get? Did you get Marie? Oh my goodness. And what else? And a necklace.
Throughout your foot. And hey everybody, make sure you keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
Oh!
Oh
Woo! Go up, sissy! Take a picture, say cheese. Good job.
I love your section. I have to tell you, very See you next time.
Hey, who are we gonna go see? Cinderella. Oh my gosh. Cinderella. She's ready.
Why we almost have the same hair too.
Yeah. Go ahead and twirl, Annie. Show her you can. There you go. We love you, Cinderella. You ready, Annie? Okay guys, we're calling it a night. It was a really fun day in Magic Kingdom. So if you are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click the like button, follow along, and we will see you on the video on the screen or at Disney World. Bye.